These are the supplies that we'll be using in this exercise. You need your sketchbook, pencil, eraser, blending stump, or a Q-tip, and a piece of paper for your drawing hand. I'm going to go over how to shade using these materials. There are different ways to shade, from up and down motion to cross-hatching, which is using lines to create dark and light values. To circle shading. But the key element is pressure. The harder you press the pencil, the darker the marks. The softer you strike the paper, the lighter the marks. So here I'm going to show you how to use the blending stump. So this is the blending stump right here. What you want to do is use it on an angle instead of straight up and down. So hold it on an angle and lightly press your paper. Get a feel for it first by starting light and then gradually add pressure as you get more familiar. If you want to experiment or lost your blending stump, you can use a Q-tip like I'm using right here and repeat the same approach with the blending stump. Now the biggest difference you'll see is that the Q-tip is actually softer and blends smoother. Now let's take that idea and use it on a long rectangular shape. We're going to blend it from dark on the left side and slowly and gradually transition all the way to the white of the paper. To prevent smearing, you'll use a scrap piece of paper underneath your drawing hand. As you work, make sure your hand is resting on this piece. While some of you might have used your fingers to shade and create value before, I strongly discourage that in the future. Our hands have sweat and oils. When those are mixed with graphite, which is what your pencil is made of, it's hard to erase those marks. your practice, using your sketchbook, draw 3 boxes or rectangles across the page. On the first box, shade the left side dark, and as you move to the right, slowly transition to lighter values. In the second box, shade the top dark and go lighter as you go lower. Finally, in the third box, start the dark values on the bottom left corner and go lighter towards the upper right corner. And that's your introduction to shading. Here are the boxes. Until next time, practice, stay safe, and keep drawing.